all of my planners, TikTok girlies, YouTube girlies, and Facebook girlies. I've been on a hunt. Okay, so you know, we all know 2026 is right around the corner and we are getting our planners together, right? And so now that I am trying to get my planner together, you guys been giving me so many ideas of what I could do for my planner. And so I've been down the planner rabbit hole, okay? And so yesterday I went thrifting, and I'm gonna show you another video I've done for Christmas. Y'all want some Christmas decor? If y'all changing up some Christmas decor, go to the thrift store first, but I'll get to that later. So I wanted a smaller planner for my purse, right? Because I've been doing, this is my 2025 planner, and it's big, right? I use this for home, work, and personal stuff, and I like it. I had got it from TJ Maxx in the beginning of this year, and I love it. I love it. It was cute, girly. I was able to put notes in it, do all of my decorating, all of the things, right? But I want to size down. I did a previous video of the planner I got from Dollar Tree that I'm going to try to dedicate myself to, and I'm still thinking twice about that. Y'all know how it is. Y'all know how it is. But I did want a smaller planner for my purse, and so I said I can't commit to the Hobonichi, I think that's how you pronounce it, planner. I don't want to spend that much because I know me and I want to switch things up. So I said, let me create one for my style, for my taste, for my lifestyle, my planner lifestyle. And so I got this portfolio from thrifting. I went to the Goodwill yesterday with my husband, and I found this. This was $2.49. And look how cute it is. It's black with polka dots. And it is so cute. And look at the inside. I wiped it off and everything. Y'all know, go to the thrift store, wipe your stuff off. Wipe it down, disinfect it. Y'all already know, okay? And so I love the way this looks. It's nice and neat, clean. It has a zipper. You can keep stickers, change, money if you want. Whatever you want to keep in there, you can. This is where you put the planner. In there, it has a little spot right here. I'm thinking I'm gonna put a little notepad right there. You can keep cards, notes, all kind of stuff. Another something, little notebook right there can go right there, and it closes. So this is what I'm going to do. I bought this from the Dollar Tree. Isn't that cute? This is a 2026 planner or weekly planner, which is my speed because I have room to write what I want to do each day. So this, it was $1.50, and it has the quick reference. Most planners have that. It has the year at a glance, right, each month. It has the important holidays, well, all the holidays, your contacts, and then it goes day by day. So this one starts with the first week of the year. Starts with December 29th, Monday. So it starts with Monday, and it goes on and on and on, all the way down for the entire year, every day, weekly. And then it has a few pages for notes. So it has, like 4 or 5 pages just for notes. So that's why I was thinking I could put a little notepad, hang it right here for notes, which I have one somewhere around here. So what I'm going to do is probably stick this right here like that. That goes right there perfectly like that, right? And you close it up. I was thinking getting some type of tie to go around here, some type of elastic band to go around here, put a little charm on it. Boom. So I will come back in another video with the final look by 2026. Okay. So y'all, this is going to be my personal calendar for my purse, so I can take with me, and I'm going to find my pad to go here. Oh, and it has a little slot right here for your pen. How convenient, right? You can put your pen here. You can decorate this however you want. Put your pictures. Y'all, This is going to be my little planner. Y'all, so I won't have to take a bigger one because I will have a larger one, but I won't have to take it with me everywhere I go. This is going to be my personal notepad planner, to-do list on there, and everything. So think about making one for yourself. This is a great idea. So stay tuned for the finished look. I'm working on it, y'all. I'm working on it. I'm excited. Stay tuned. If you like this type of videos, if you like self-love videos, hobbies, planners, purses, cooking, I do all the things, little crafty stuff, but also give you motivation about self-love and self-care. Check my video out, subscribe, and let's talk, girly pop. All right, queen. Hey, queen. Hey, love you guys. Peace.